Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to connect N8N with Supabase. So friends, go to N8N and go to personal option. From here click this icon. As you can see here friends, click add plus icon. From the search node, search for Supabase. After that click create a row, and from here credentials, click on credentials and you should add the host and service role. Go to Supabase and go to project setting. From project setting, as you see data IPA, you see this, as you can see, server role. Copy this, you have public, copy this public. Friends, you have this host, copy your host, guys, URL host from here and come to here. And service role, you have service role, click copy and then come to here and then click save this option. This is the way, guys, you can create connect your N8N with Supabase. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. As you can see here, the connected test successfully. This is just for test. You can create a project from here, project overview, and you can see your project state to connect with your N8N. Thanks guys for watching this video.